Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So, today we're talking about the 359. I know, some of you are probably like, Mike, do you have a 359? Some of you are like, about time. I know a lot of you joined the channel to watch the 359 get done, and you know, we'll get there one day. But I actually bought it a new part from work. A brand new Peterbilt power steering reservoir thingy. So I'd put tape over this to seal it so water wouldn't get in, and hopefully this fits. Oh, look at that! Like brand new! Like brand new 1977! That's only like 46 years old, but yeah, so anyways, if you haven't seen the 359 before, and I'm pretty sure you have, it's a 1977 359. She's got a double frame. Rust jacking surprisingly isn't as horrible as some. We got a little bit of corrosion back here. It's a little bit swollen, but it's not terrible. Well, I mean, it's not good, but check out the inside. I don't know if there's any squirrels living in here now, but it's in rough shape. We kind of sealed the roof off last winter to keep it from leaking, at least to try and keep it from leaking. Obviously I haven't cleaned the inside of this sucker out yet. I love the fact that you got the Pete emblem there, but you know, the heater box is rusty. I think this is for your brake saver, and this is your hand valve, I think. Dash is kind of seized. We got rust falling on heater controls. It's got the wig-wag. It's kind of fun because the wig-wag on this one actually falls out of the headliner. Chain for, I mean, it would have had a leather one, I think, but spotlight. Throttle pedal works. Brake pedal. So, yeah, there's rust basically everywhere. You know, because the problem is with these with the steel roofs rust and then they leak. I just grossed myself out in here thinking too much, but oh, see, there's a toolbox that I don't think I've looked in, but anyways, you can see it had a left and right fuel switch, which was probably for the fuel gauge because it would change between left and right. It's got a pyrometer, tractor application, trailer application, reservoir, speedo tack. It's kind of all there. Does it have? That's an inner axle. I don't know what this one's for. Deep reduction, shift when in low range. Because that means it's oh, 15 speed. So that's because it's a 15 speed. I love this knob, to tell you the truth, but is that, I think that's, oh no, it moves barely. So that's cool. Sorry, maybe I should just get out of here. But yeah, this is rusted to bejeebers. Well, actually, I don't think the rust is from, well, maybe it is from this. Maybe there was a plate there, or it's from up there. But this is your, I don't know, like an on-off fan thing, and heat, floor defrost. Oh, that's this. Floor defrost, because that's where, that tells you what's there. So this is off, cold, and warm. There's your fan. That's actually really cool. It's actually really cool. I kind of like that. But this truck is rough. Rough, I'm telling you. The dash is stuck. I don't know if there's a hinge there or if it's just hitting something, but she don't move. Little crack there, I think. But yeah, so she needs a little work. Needs a little loving. She needs a little loving, Mike. We've got battery disconnect switches there, which is a little bit scary. Because, yeah, you can see the cables there. And I wonder, yeah, that's not great. Yeah, there's aluminum corrosion. So yeah, you know, she needs a little work. But my thought with this is we got the roof out, seal it up. Oh, seal it up so it doesn't leak anymore, but just run what you brung. Try and get it running first, the way it is. As Dad says, it took, you know, 40 years to rust this much, so who knows how long else it'll take. If you remember when we tried starting it, the power steering lines, you know, all blew up. Tanks are rusty because they're steel. There was water in this, but there was also oil because it was pinky. The grill surround is decent. It is. Bumper is horrible. Headlights and pods are there, which is awesome. Dayton's, which I kind of liked. I'd probably keep it Dayton's. It's got the Canadian intake with the inside-outside air. So you got a flapper to choose between sucking air from under the hood where it's warmer or sucking air from the outside where it's colder. But, okay. Oh! There's a buzzy thing. Jeez. Stay away from me, buzzy thing! Look what's behind here. I don't see too much. It's a little sketching me out. But, by rights, you know what I should do? Should gut the whole thing. Interior wise. Put some straight pipes on it. You can see that exhaust bracket's bent. Oh, she's a little rough. I guess that's why I'm called Mike the Truck Nut, because I look at these and I'm always being positive. It's my problem at work too. You know, because I always try to help people as best I can. And, you know, sometimes I probably tell them that their truck is better than it actually is. But, and, you know, I kind of look at my trucks and think they're better than they actually are. Got a few dents here, but you know what? It's a 359 shroud, so that's cool, man. I should see if I could open the hood. It's cool that the emblems are still there and not faded. You know that? But that's what happens when, you know, built in the 70s. When people gave a hoot and wanted things to last. Wonder if I can open this on my own. I don't know. Just gotta put some weight behind it. Oh. Don't let it crash. There. We did it. Look at that. I might leave the hood open for a bit so we can work on the engine, because pretty sure Dad's not going to be able to open that hood. So here we have our 3406A. You can tell it's an A because it's got this shaft here and the pump is back. Everything is well lubricated after we blew this line and it shot oil out. So by rights, I should take all these lines off and make new ones for the power steering. It's got a Ross box, which is good. It's got no front brakes. It's got broken front springs. You know, probably already talked about that. Not sure what this is. It might be a fuel pre-filter. Where does it go? Where does it go, he says. Where's this line go? Well, I don't know. They both go to the back, so I don't know. Not sure, but I need to figure out why this thing will run away. Run away. Now, mechanic at work said to pull this off. Actually, he's retired, so, because you know what? People don't work on these anymore. Except for us crazy truck nut people. Oh, those lines are hard too. But there's veins in there that could be stuck. So he said, be very careful, pull that off, and it could be stuck. And I also had someone tell me, crack these and turn it over, and then you can tell if one is stuck or not. So that's a thing too that we can check. But you know, I was thinking with this truck, it's kind of rat roddy, and just fix what you can to make it running. Look at that treadle valve. That would be not a fun thing to get to. I think we could do it though. Can we do it? Oh yeah. What's that there? I don't know. More lights. Obviously there was a cover over that that's not there anymore. Oh boy. Oh, she needs a lot of work. I don't know. We were playing with this one in the winter. You saw when we got it. And I think now that it's summer and you can, you know, walk around it easier and it's not cold, maybe I'm being a little more realistic when I'm saying, OMG. Is that spring broken? I don't know. It looks like it's kicked out, but maybe. I don't know. This side of the engine, that looks fine. Oil lines are harder than rock. It had air conditioning. Well, I mean, it has air conditioning. It's just, you know, not working. It's got Jake heads, so that's good. Jake heads. Look at that one bolt back there. It's pulled out a little bit. Wonder what that air valve there is that goes into the floor. Must be something heater related. So, yeah. The alternator. I almost should have seen if I could steal that alternator for Stubby. But you know what? The cool thing is the air conditioning compressor turns. So, that's bent. But yeah, the plan is to get this thing started and running. And then if we succeeded all of that, then, you know, we can check and see about a front diff, because there's another problem with it. It's missing a pumpkin. It's not there. Hello. Nope, nothing there. Driveline's all there, which is good. You know, and the frame doesn't look terrible. It's got some, you know, these slipper pads have been welded in, and yeah. Don't know that that would pass MVI. I mean, maybe. Actually, there's so many things on this thing that wouldn't pass MVI. I mean, it's probably a case where a person should strip it right down to nothing too. But, and I need an axle, need bearings. Whew. Needs a lot. It had an Arctic Jeep on it at one time, because with an Arctic Jeep, they had a pin, and when you hopped up your Jeep, it would go into that when she was a log hauler. Tail frame is kind of pooched. Person should just torch it all off. But yeah, mud flaps, should take these off because they're not good. Not good at all. Well, at least all the wheel studs are in that one, so that's good. But yeah, so this is the 77 359. You guys probably already knew that, but if you're new to the channel or you watch the videos, Dad and I are going to get her going, or try to. Let's say try. The batteries, I need to take those out and send them into recycling, because those are worth like 20 bucks a piece, I think. This is not going to be easy though. Where's the starter? Down under there. Yay. It's one thing about cab overs. I think they're easier to work on in a lot of ways, but anyways, guys, that's the 359. What do I do with it? Well, I don't plan on getting rid of it because, well, I didn't pay much for it. Paid 500 bucks for it, plus getting it home. And he gave me a deal on it because I said I would save it. So, being that I said I would save it, I can't get rid of it. But that is a lot of work. But I accept the challenge. So anyways, guys, thanks for walking. Thanks for watching. That's a quick look at the 359 as to where it's sitting. And it's sitting right here in the dirt beside the shop. Maybe I should just line them all up and go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which piece of truck wreck do I work on before it goes? And you've seen the video on that one. Or maybe you haven't. Go check it out. There's a video on Kenny 2 as to what I should do with Kenny 2. Okay, guys, have a good one. Catch you in the next one.